Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voiceovers on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. And new, go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. You just type the numbers 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. So just type the numbers 9, 2, 9, 0. That's the settings and info section, and here you can find the voiceovers under the haptics. If you want to turn off, click to the next white and green icon, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that, and if it will be turned green. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.